Now you can turn your ideas into amazing videos in just a few seconds. With this AI video tool, you can make many different kinds of videos. It works with popular AI platforms like Google Veo 3, Kling AI, Seeddance, Pixverse AI, and more. It even lets you use different versions of AI tools. You can think of it as a complete all-in-one AI video maker hub. Introducing the new all-in-one AI toolkit Flowreel. With Flowreel, you can create image-to-video and text-to-video clips using the Pro version. You can make 8-second videos that look super realistic and even include sound. This AI platform also lets you create images using Nano Banana and Flux Pro. You can make new images, edit old ones, and do all your creative work in one place. Flowreel is the AI toolkit you need for your projects, work, and daily life. Let's make a video using this AI. The link is in my video description. Just click it and you will come to this page. First, log in to your account. After that, you will see some options at the top of the page. From here, choose the video option. You will see image to video and text to video options. For this video, I will choose image to video. Here, you will get the most exciting options. As I mentioned before, when you click here, you will see popular AI video generation tools, all in one place. Now, select the tool you want to use to create your video. I am choosing Kling AI. We will also try other AI tools later in this video. Now, go to the upload option and click here to upload the image you want to turn into a video. Once the upload is done, add your video prompt in the prompt box. If you don't know how to create a video prompt, I'll show you right after we generate the video. You can use up to 2,000 letters to write your video prompt. Then click on video length and select 8 seconds for the maximum length. Finally, click generate, and your video will be ready in just a few seconds. Here it is. Let's check the quality. Now let's see how I create the video prompt for this image. Go to ChatGPT. You'll find the link in the description box. In the prompt area, click the plus icon and upload your image. Then, type your idea for the video just like I'm doing. I simply told ChatGPT that I wanted a video prompt for Kling AI and shared the idea I had for my video. That's it. You can edit and customize the prompt if you need to. In a few seconds, it will make a great prompt for your video. Now just copy it and use it for your video. Now let's create a text-to-video using this AI tool. First, select text to video from the video menu. Then choose the video generator you want to use. This time, I'm choosing Seeddance. We all know Seeddance creates high-resolution videos. Next, add your video prompt in the prompt box. Simply explain your idea, and ChatGPT will give you the perfect prompt for your video. Then choose the aspect ratio. I'm selecting the highest one. After that, click on Resolution, where you will see the 1080p option. This is great for anyone who wants high-quality video. Once all the settings are ready, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your video will come to life. Here it is. Let's play the video and see how it looks. The video quality is super high, clear, and full of detail. Flowreel AI did an amazing job because it gives you everything you need in one place. That's really impressive. Okay, now we know how to create AI videos using an image or just simple text in Flowreel AI. But I'm going to show you another feature, and trust me, it will make you really happy. Most creators look for this feature, but they often can't get the best results. We will use 2 animated images and then combine them using the Flowreel edit option. Finally, we'll create a funny animated AI video. First, go to the Edit option. Then click Upload and upload the first image, followed by the second image. Once the uploads are done, describe in the prompt box what you want to edit in the images. I asked to create a single image that includes both characters standing next to each other. Be clear so you get the best results. Also, make sure the images you are using are high quality and detailed. Finally, the image is ready, and it looks very attractive. The characters are perfectly edited and replaced. Now, let's download the image. Now, go back to the video option. This time, I will use Veo 3 to generate the video. There are two versions of Veo 3, and I'm going with the first one. Now, click the upload option and upload the image you just downloaded. Once the upload is done, add your video prompt. You can also find the video prompt in the description box. Next, go to the video length option. Only 8 seconds is available, so I'm choosing that. On the opposite side, you'll see the Generate Audio option. Enable it. Finally, click Generate Video, and in a few seconds, your video will be ready with perfect voice and expressions. By following the same process, you can make videos for your products, online shop, and many other purposes. As you can see, each AI has its own strengths. Some can generate longer videos, some can create 4K or high-quality videos, and others can generate videos with perfect audio. They all have different levels and capabilities. Flowreel gives us the opportunity to use all of them on a single platform. This AI tool is completely new, and it is not free right now. But if you create AI videos and want to take your AI video journey to the next level, you can purchase it at your own responsibility. I'm not forcing anyone, but if you want a tool where you can choose the best AI generators, then Flowreel is highly recommended. They keep the price low, and even at this price, you get access to some of the best AI tools available. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can also use this amazing AI platform.